All right, so on this video, we are going to be considering color grading, right? That's where we are going to considering some tools that you can use to add color, do one or two on uh, your video, right? Now, in terms of this color grading, now if you take a look at this video now, if you if you pay attention to this video, you can see just try to detect the difference between the first video and the second video. Can you see what just happened? Look at this color; it's different from what we have here. Can you see? These are two different videos. So the first video has been color graded, while the second video is just natural. It's just the way it came. Can you see the difference on this video and the other video? Right? So that's where. So how do we now do this? How do we do this? To be able to color grade our video, you know what you want to achieve. You just want the quality or the look to be better, right? I'll just click on it, then I'll scroll down to where there is a adjust. I'll click on adjust. So on the adjust, under adjust, we are going to see color match, color correction. That color match and color correction are for the pro version. So these are people that are on the pro plan. They'll be able to use it. You cannot use it if you're not on pro plan. Then the brightness is when maybe you want to increase the brightness of a video. For instance, if I increase this, can you see what's happening? Can you see? I can reduce it as well. Can you see? So I can increase or reduce the brightness. So this one I can just increase it a bit. Can you see? That's the brightness. Then the contrast. If I click on contrast, the moment I increase it, can you see? Everything that has to be colored there is trying to what? Is trying to come up. Is coming up. Is brightening. So everything that has to be colored is brightening up, right? So you can play with them to see to how they work so that you can understand them better. Even though we are still going to do a video, a practical video, and do some of these things and apply them. Then saturation now, if I increase it, can you see the color is saturating? So every color on that video is increasing. The color is what is being saturated. Can you see? If I go down, you can see it has reduced, the color has reduced to zero, to what? To black. So what we're seeing there is just black and white. But the moment I click and I increase it, well, the saturation is increasing. And the brilliance now, if I increase it, can you see? This is similar to that brightness. This is similar to that brightness, right? Now the sharpen now, if you highlight, if you click on it and you scroll it, you discover something is what changing. The video is the particular video is what is sharpening. It's becoming sharper as you're increasing. It's becoming sharper, right? Then this clarity, if you highlight it, you may not really see the effect, but there's a level of clarity on the face. If you take a look at it, something is your face is becoming clearer, right? There's a form of clarity on the face. You may not really see it on other parts, but it's applying to the face. It's changing. The face is changing, becoming more clearer, right? Then the other one there is what this HSL. This HSL, this is where you try to look into the hue, the saturation, and the lightness of a particular color. For instance, I can decide to pick the color on this shirt and change it, right? Look at this color now. If I can decide to change it to a different color entirely. Look at what just happened. I just changed my color to what? From the color it was to black. Just change the color of my shirt to black. Can you imagine what's happening? I can change it to any color I want. Can you see? Look at what's happening. Look at. Can you see? Imagine changing a white color to black. Sorry, a different color entirely to black completely. So you can decide to change the color of your shirt while you do your presentation, but then just know that it's going to affect some other parts of the video, right? Look at this now. I'm increasing saturation. Look at my lips. The lips, there's this color on the lips, right? There's this
Earnings
color on the
and
lips, and that's why you should not just use anything in there. As you're using it, ensure you are watching it to know what is happening, right? Now, still on the hue, these are different colors. Like this color, I think this color is related to us in the background, right? You can see what's happening to the background color. You can see hue is increasing saturation. Can you see what's happening? Look at what's happening. So this is just to understand how all these things work. so that maybe when we start doing more videos, we can see to how these things have been applied, right? You can see the application of most of these things. Now, the next thing is what? There's graph, and there are lots of them here. There are lots of them. There's highlight, there's shadow. You want to add shadow or increase or reduce shadow from a video. You want to increase the white of a video. Can you see? Making it whiter, or you want to increase black or reduce black, or this temperature, you want to increase or reduce the temperature of a video, right? There's hue. Let's look at hue. We already tried that when we're doing that HSL. Then there's fade. You want your color to fade. Then this vignette, you can see, look at what just happened to
That's where this
the
monitor.
moment I increased it. So you can explore them and see how all these things works so that you get to learn better. And if you want to understand color grading better, like I always say, you can maybe enroll on a professional video editing course. That way you understand some of these things better. You'll be able to edit professionally. But this course is just like a basic level that will guide you on how to do one or two on your course, right? Now, after doing that, maybe you have worked on your video before, maybe you've splitted your video into several parts before you are doing this color grading. You can apply the same color to every other part of the video if you have already splitted, because it is the video you select that you are editing. So if you already done splitting on your video and you pick a video, this is not going to be applicable to the entire video. So to be able to apply it to the entire video, all you need to do is click on apply all to all, and it will be applied to everything on the video. To be applied to every. So if I click on this now, it's going to apply. And if you're not okay with what you've done, you can click on reset. By the time you click on reset, you'll be able to reset it, right? You'll be able to reset it,
Of a thing is out.
right? You're able to reset it. So I'll just click on this if I'm okay. If I'm okay with it, I'll just click on that okay, and that's it, right? The next thing there is what? The next thing is video quality, which is here. Video quality is only can only be used by those on the pro plan, right? So we cannot use it because this particular version is the free version, right? So on the next video, we are going to be considering cover image or thumbnail, or how to remove background from a video.